How do you find forgotten money from old accounts? Imagine opening a drawer and discovering money you forgot you had. That feeling can happen with old bank or credit union accounts, but how do you find that cash? Many people lose track of accounts after moving, changing names, or simply forgetting about them. The good news is, there are clear steps to track down and claim that money. First, understand what unclaimed money is. It's money in accounts that have had no activity or contact from the owner for a certain period, usually 3 to 5 years. This includes savings accounts, checking accounts, certificates of deposit, and even contents of safe deposit boxes. When accounts become inactive, banks and credit unions are required by law to try reaching the owner. If they cannot contact you after multiple attempts, the funds are turned over to the state's Unclaimed Property Office. Banks and credit unions handle dormant accounts through a process called Escheatment. They first try to contact you using the last known address. Some institutions publish names in local newspapers to find owners. If there's still no response, the money is transferred to the state. For credit unions, if they are federally insured and liquidate, the National Credit Union Administration takes over. They attempt to pay out members' shares, but if members cannot be located, those funds also become unclaimed. To find forgotten money, start by searching the unclaimed property websites of each state where you have lived or done business. These sites are free and are the official sources for reclaiming funds. You can also use national databases like missingmoney.com, which collect unclaimed property data from many states, making searches easier. For specific accounts from failed banks, check the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation database. For credit unions, look at the National Credit Union Administration's list of unclaimed deposits. If you remember the name of a bank or credit union where you had an account, contact them directly. Sometimes they can help locate your account, especially if it was recently closed or became inactive. When you find a match, follow the instructions to file a claim. Usually, you will need to provide identification, like a driver's license or social security number, to prove you are the rightful owner. Be cautious of scams. Only use official government websites to search and claim your money. Never pay a fee to a company promising to find your unclaimed funds. Remember, these searches are free. Checking for unclaimed money regularly is a smart part of financial planning. It helps you keep track of all your assets and makes better decisions about your money. So, if you think you might have forgotten funds from old accounts, take a few minutes to search. It could be money you didn't realize you still owned. Banks and credit unions are there to protect these funds until they find their way back to you. It's a simple step that can put extra cash in your pocket and help you stay on top of your financial health.